Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing to repair without losing files. Create a full system image using Windows Backup and restore to an external drive with at least 50 GB free. Enable File History to protect documents, pictures, and desktop folders, and verify the backup completed successfully. Export browser bookmarks and save application settings where possible. Confirm your Windows 10 product key or check that a digital license is linked to your Microsoft account. These steps prevent permanent loss and speed recovery. Next, learn the built-in repair tools and commands you will use. Boot to Windows Recovery by holding Shift while selecting Restart, then pick Troubleshoot and Advanced options to access Startup Repair. If Windows boots, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files. This scan typically takes 10 to 30 minutes. Follow sfc with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. If repairs fail, use Reset This PC and choose Keep My Files to reinstall Windows without losing data. Follow this clear step-by-step plan to repair your Windows 10 system safely. First, try Safe Mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates that cause crashes. Boot Safe Mode from Recovery. Next, run Startup Repair from the Recovery menu and reboot to check results. If issues persist, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated prompt, checking logs after each command. If corruption remains, choose Reset This PC and select Keep My Files, or restore your previously created system image to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.